In India, millions of small and marginal farmers face daily struggles. Unpredictable weather conditions, natural disaster, climate change, and inefficient practices, lack of accurate information and guidance often leads to poor decision making, resulting in low yields, economic losses, and food insecurity. Many farmers do not have access to real time updates on government policies, market prices, or expert advice on modern agricultural techniques. This not only affects the livelihood of farmers but also impact the well-being of rural communities and their overall agricultural economy. To tackle these challenges, we present Krishi Utkarsh, an AI-powered agricultural advisory platform designed to empower Indian farmers with real-time insights, expert guidance, and market connectivity. Hi everyone, I am Nikhil and I built a team called CyberSpark with my two friends Arman and Karthik. We all pursuing computer science engineering from IIIT Manipur, and we are presenting this solution to GDG on-campus solution challenge powered by Hackerscape. This innovative platform bridges the gap between technology and agriculture by providing AI-driven solutions tailored to individual farmers' needs. Through Krishi Utkarsh, farmer can access AI-powered advisory on soil health, irrigation, and crop selections, real-time weather alerts, and disaster preparedness guidance. A dedicated social platform where farmers can interact, share experiences, and learn from each other. Government policies, market trends, and current pricing of agricultural products enabling better financial decisions. A platform to connect with buyers, sellers, and laborers, ensuring efficient trade and resource management. AI-driven recommendation for optimizing farming practices and increasing productivity. Multilingual support to break language barriers, making the platform accessible to all farmers. Looking ahead, we aim to expand Krishi Utkarsh with advanced AI prediction for market demand, localized solutions for climate change adaptation, job opportunities for rural youths in agri-tech, a marketplace for seamless farmer to buyer interaction, awareness programs for sustainable and profitable farming. With Krishi Utkarsh, we empower farmers with the right knowledge, tools, and community support to make informed decisions. Together, we can transform Indian agriculture and secure a better future for our farmers. Let's build a smarter, more sustainable farming ecosystem in India. Thank you very much.